everyone, this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. I want to talk to you about Truck Parking Club. Now, it is Labor Day 2025. They have a special going on right now for the Labor Day. But let's go back a little bit. My buddy, he's going home for 4 days. He drives here at Tyson Foods like me. And he said, Ralph, I booked there's a Truck Parking Club location near his house. It is real cheap. It's like $10 a day, $40 a week. Real close, real cheap to us, close to his house. He said, yeah, I'm going home for 4 days for, he has some family things to do. I'm like, and it only cost me $40. I'm like, hey, Todd, do you look at their Facebook page? No. Why? I know he's used my discount code to save him $25. It's Ralph's 24, capital R, Ralph's 24, and I'll put it down here below. He said, no, why? This is the second time he's done this on a holiday weekend. First time was July 4th. Now it's September, going into Labor Day. I'm like, if you would have used discount code LABOR50, it would have saved you $50. You would have had free parking. Man, I just spent $40. I could have had it for free. So, note to the wise. Download the app, Truck Parking Club app. Sign up for the newsletter. And make sure you follow them on all social medias. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. And before you book, make sure there ain't no discount code. Their newsletter every Monday comes out. There might be discount codes on that to save you money. And if you want it first time using, you can use my code, Ralphs24. I'll have it down here below. Now, make sure you check everything out before you book at Truck Parking Club. You might get some free nights. Or you can lose out like Todd. Y'all have a great day. Thumb up the video. And I'll talk to you next time. Ralph's 24 to save you $25 at your first visit. And for Labor Day until Monday, Labor 50 to save you $50 for Labor Day. Have a great one.